Very careful. Fuck. God damn it, it hit something. Great to have you here. Jeff Gonzi's World. Jeff Gonzi, Jesus Christ. JeffTechMedia at your service. What are we here today to do? Well, I finally got myself an MSI gaming. Hold up. Got this little puppy on Christmas Eve, finally. I ordered on December 9th, and it actually came in on the 24th. Pretty pumped. Then I got in my Ryzen 5 5600X on the 23rd. It's taken a little bit to get to it, but that was pretty damn exciting too, because that was supposed to come in on February 10th. So good job, AMD. Good job, Amazon, getting this shit to me real quick. One big downside of not getting the getting anything on Amazon, like a graphics card, well, you know what? You just don't get the free games that come with it. Thanks, NVIDIA. Picked up some 3600 megahertz RAM, 2 gigs, 2 sticks of 16 gigabytes. Why not, right? I already did all the boring stuff, thankfully. I went through and put in all the lighting. I wanted this to be on Christmas, but you know what? I wasn't able to make that happen. Check out this fucking stupid thing. This is a GPU card cooler. It hangs separately. Look at that. So it'll hang either above or behind, or I think it can sit to the side. But I just want this RGB bar, so I might even just lose the fans completely. I did decide to go away. I took the loop out completely because I was having nothing but issues. Then the cooler, baby. I'm putting in this big boy. So I've got my streaming rig right there, and this is what's going to be gaming with a 3080 and a 5600X. Should be pretty cool. I just wanted to stream and do it. Fuck it. I'm gonna flip this around. I'm gonna open some parts actually. No, let's do some classic old box opening. You gotta already have a power supply that can handle or be ready for 3 8-pin power cords. Jesus Christ, look how big this shit is. Let's give her a whirl anyway. Look how cute these little MSI dragons are. This isn't exactly a guide. I'm just kind of online doing it. They're so fucking cute. Look at these guys. Because it's such a massive bar, I'm guessing that this is going to be a support so it doesn't bow out and just bend my entire PC case. This all better work so goddamn good. All right, well, look at this. Look at this beautiful monstrosity. Give it the head test. It's fucking ridiculous. This isn't the one I wanted. If I could have had any of them, it would have been the Founders Edition to put a water cooler on it. I took what I could get. This is literally, I tried for, at that point it had been about over 2 months. Yeah, probably 2.5 months of trying nonstop. Every single notification I was adding to cart, trying to buy. First one that went through, so I'll take what I can get. I ended up, I think, spending I think this was $810. Would also rather have the Founders Edition because it was only $700, but that's how it is these days. You take whatever the hell you're given, whatever you could get your hands on. Just put this all nice and neat here. This feels like another Christmas. I mean, there's nothing much special going on here. Like I said, I did all of the, God, I fucked it up. No, I like to keep the boxes clean. I already did all the wiring and all the cable management shit. Like I put in 8 light strips and I have 9 Thermaltake pure RGB fans. So this son of a bitch is gonna be loud with light. Oh, why did I? Christ. That felt terrible. I don't know why I unboxed. There's nothing to show here. Look, it's a Ryzen CPU. How fucking fancy, right? You gotta figure out where to put that sticker though. I never put CPU stickers on the case itself because that's cliche. That's just too nerdy for me. Obviously, first we've got our 3080. See how this bad boy looks. And as you can see, I've got this just lined with RGB. So if you like that beautiful rainbow RGB puke goodness, by God, I've got you covered. All right, that was a good click. Gotta have our tools handy. And for that, I always go with the iFixit $35 set available at Best Buy. Not sponsored, but goddamn, someday, hopefully, right? very long. I do want to just run it and see if I can, and see how cool it runs and see how good it is. Oh, for fuck's sake. My case is a little bit warped from numerous builds. Oh my God, come on. Oh, I want to die. I want to die. Why would I ever do this live? If anyone's ever built a PC before, you know how just horrible it is. All right, we got that on there. Look at that. Look at that. Already run these. It should just kind of go in. I'm not sure how necessary this is. I wonder if it's going to interfere with this one though too. Well, all right, screw it. Let's throw both of them on, I guess. Oh hell, I don't know where to put this. Fine, we're losing it. I'm done with it. This is bullshit. Okay, hunching over. This pain in the ass. All right, everyone ready to give me some shit about how I put thermal paste on my CPU? You are? Let's use some of this thermal grizzly. I'm gonna do, I have the same thing I do every time. I do an X. Oh God, I'm live, so my energy is just off the, oh Jesus, that's too much. Guys, this is too much paste. Oh, so if you don't put enough to where it's squished all the way out to your RAM, then you're fucking doing it wrong. Nice and squishy, that's right. I'm gonna take a little bit off because that I am a little nervous now. That is quite too much. But I always do err on the side of using more instead of less. My hands got shaky. Honestly, that's gonna be fine. Man, I was looking for a good deal. If I ended up having to get more RAM, I wanted it to be 3600 megahertz. All right, so this one is gonna be A1 and A2. Sorry, A1, B1. I'm pretty sure that is how it is supposed to run if you're just running the 2 kit. I always push down big side first. All right. These fans are pretty nice. I was thinking about, keeping the RGB theme going and putting some nice colored fans on this, but these things are really good. Now, when I put this bracket on, I definitely did not double check to make sure that it's facing the right way. I think it is, though. Now, this shit's gonna dry before I even get to it. I need the special screwdriver, and shit. So if you need anything, it's the iFixit kit, and then you definitely gotta pick up the Be Quiet Shadow Rock, and then just throw away the cooler. Fuck the cooler. You want this screwdriver. Only costs you like 50 bucks. All right, I think we're cool. I think it cleared it. We're good. I don't think I have the ability to put on a fan on this side. No, what was the point of getting RGB RAM if I'm just gonna cover, oh God. So yeah, it would have to stick out about, that's how far we're sticking out if it wants to go on top of this stupid RAM. So I'm gonna have to drop that one. This system this has the same like boot drive and everything in it, so I should, if I do everything right, I shouldn't have to install a drive or an OS or anything. I should just be able to plug it in and boot right up. I still need to order some parts to finish the loop. I figured this would be much easier to deal with. We should be able to just press this on though. Oh my God, damn it! I fucking hate this game. Fuck it, I'm done. I'm not putting that on. I'm so sick of this shit. Going fanless. I've got other fans. It's fine. All right, that should be good. And now let's see if the damn thing turns on. Let me pump up my desk. It pumps up. You fucking like that? Probably. Oh, looky there. Well, it boots up. We do have our 5600X rocked and loaded. Let me check. ASRock is not my favorite. I've been running this board for quite a while. CPU temp 32 degrees. How you like that with no fans? Check that out. No fans on. That's fanless cooling, my friends. We did it. Mission accomplished. So let's go to here. Boom. XMP is already set, all ready to go as its own profile. So that's good. I think we'll do just the stock right now. Now we got that. Now I don't have to jump back and forth. It's not booting now, is it? Well, apparently the XMP profile, it didn't like that very much. Let's see how it's running real fast and overclock. So I don't think it's boosting on its own. Oh, okay. So it is running at 18 or 3600. So that is nice. All right, so we can check temps. Okay, CPU is running at 50 degrees. That's high. That's higher than we would want. GPU though, that's 36 degrees. That's pretty good. Ooh, it's pretty too. Oh, there we go. Why don't I just do it like this? Hi everyone. Look, now you can see the beauty. We can overclock, and if I crash, I don't go offline. I'm gonna give this a real small boost. This build is just, I got these parts and I just put in a build. Dude, I am lagging. What is going on? It's nothing in particular, just me fucking around. Excited to get my 3080 finally. So boosted that up. Let's run a benchmark. Let's do a sweet little 3D mark run and check and see how our temps are doing. I don't want to run regular. I'm going to run Time Spy Extreme without the demo. That's usually what I run to give a good guess of where we're at. And it'll also tell me how it's run compared to my other systems. Oh shit. Okay, so far so really good. I'm used to, I ran a 5700 XT with my 3900X for quite a while, and this is running way better. Oh God, no, it's just running real slow. This test always looks kind of laggy, but that does seem particularly slow. Yeah. This 5600X is probably gonna need itself some overclocking. That or we're seeing the effects of no fans on this goddamn cooler. Oh wow, CPU. The CPU only got up to 75. Yeah, it's air cooling. Sorry. Let me pull this down so you can see what we've. Whoop. This is what we've got right now. I was having just great difficulty, so GPU did get up to 75. That's okay. As long as it's under 80, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, top 7. We're in the 7th percentile. That's not bad for what essentially, literally, this is just the cutoff of do you have a 3080 or not. 50% faster than if you had an i9 9900K and a 2080. Jesus. It definitely, though, favors NVIDIA, so take that in mind. So see, this is my full big water loop with the 1080 Ti and the 3900X, and it's running 25% or 50% faster. That's quite a difference. And I am streaming from a separate PC, so I'm one monitor. No outside stuff, so this is optimized to run, it's not running a stream at the same time. Okay. Don't do that shit. Don't stick your hands into it while it's on unless you're very well, nothing, unless you just don't give a shit. Okay. Don't do that shit. Don't stick your hands into it while it's on unless you're very well, nothing, unless you just don't give a shit. All right, there we go. Now we're pushing air, boys. I was saving this for a very special occasion. If you don't know what this is a hardcore server fan. And when you plug it in, it goes absolutely insane. Oh, the temps went down because it ended. Okay, so it ended at 96.53. Let me try this shit though. Let's do one more. Let's see how this bad boy does. Very careful. Fuck. God damn it, it hit something. All right, let me get a longer fucking cable because this thing will literally just like move on its own unless it's held in place. Ooh, it's actually not running full power. It's not running like crazy full blast. Oh, thank God. It's still moving a little bit. I want to try it one more time. All right, so it's down about 8 degrees idle. Oh, I'm not blasting any of the fans. Hold up, y'all. We got room. We got room for this. All right, so I'm gonna go down. Oh, it's on standard. Fuck. You guys hear that? Oh, God. You want some cooling? Yeah, that's all I need. My goal was I wanted to get like 5 of those and just load those in, make it just go absolutely crazy. Oh, Christ, you see that? Oh, no, I jumped. Oh, it's so silly. That's not bad. 37. Jesus, keeps going down. Looky there. Oh, we're gonna slay at this now. So it's boosting up to, it's holding 4,500. That's pretty good, right? Well, this is running better at least. So yes, having a fan on there apparently is helpful, significant in some capacity. All right, it's done. 10,554, and that's about 1,000 higher just by adding a fan. That's not bad. That's not too bad. That's running just fully default. So, you know, I'm happy to get it boosted a little bit further. For next time, I will go through and I will get it nice and overclocked. Either make a video or I don't know. This is a lot of fun. I might do a stream doing more of this. Play games at 99%. Oh yeah, CPU's not your problem then. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, that's enough RAM. You're set. But all right, guys, I'm gonna finish it up here. I had a lot of fun. I appreciate everyone who participated. I got to clean my room up because I have 1,000 things laying around because I threw it everywhere. And this is what we ended up with. And I'm happy that it all worked. So again, thanks guys. God bless you. Subscribe and follow or whatever. Or just come back again. I'll be back. Appreciate. Much appreciate.